to you. Sit straight, everyone. No one is sleeping. 19 into 5. 19 into 5. Yes. Solve in your notebook and give me answer. Very nice. Very good. Your answer is correct. All students are given answer. Yeah, another students are copied from box. Yes or no? 24. Samiksha, this is wrong answer, beta. How 24 will come? 19 into 5. Do properly. You don't know about the multiplication table, students? Yesterday I was informing you, learn the multiplication table. Yes. 9 into 5. 9 into 5? 45. So 4 is carry over here, right? 5 is downside, 4 is carry over there. 5 into 1. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. And that carry 4 you want to add. Yes. Good. So what is the correct answer? What is the correct answer? Yes. What is the correct answer? Give me answer proper. 45. It is wrong answer. 45. It is wrong answer. Yes. 95. This is correct answer. Very good. Very nice. 95. This is the correct answer. Good. Very nice, students. Now I am going to give you one again sum. Ready, everyone? See, it's a 1 digit multiplied by 1 digit. Yes, give me answer. 9 into 7. 9 into 7. Give me answer. Yes, everyone try to yourself. You want to solve in your notebook. Suppose first what I given you, 9 into 7. So 9 you want to add 7 times. Multiplication means in a simple what I am explaining you, it's a repeated addition. It's a repeated addition. So 9 you want to add 7 times, otherwise 7 you want to add 9 times. What is the answer? Good. Your answer is very, yes, very nice. 63. 63 is your correct. Good. 9 into 7, it's a 63. Very nice. Now another students are given the answer. Another students or copy from chat box. Some students are given truly the answer, but another students, they are copied from chat box. Yes or no? All are trying in your notebook. All are trying in your notebook. Yes or no? Okay, good. So till here multiplication concept clear, right? Till here everyone have doubt. It's a yesterday's part, right? Now after that we are going to start a new chapter. Till here everyone understood now? Yes or no? Okay, no doubt. Good. So we can start to our next chapter today, right? Our next chapter is which today? 7th chapter. Now I'm going to share you one slide. With the help of slide, you will understood. Okay, students? Wait a second. Now I'm going to share you one image. Wait a second. Switch off your camera, students. Switch off your web camera. Yes. Everyone switch off your web camera, students. Now I'm going to ask you, okay, one question. I'm given to show you one slide. See, which is our seventh chapter. What is the name of that chapter? What is the chapter name? It's a coins and currency. Yes, it's a coins and currency notes, right? Good. Yes, very nice. This is our seventh chapter. This is our seventh chapter. Sixth chapter is what? Multiplication. This is already over. Good. Now it's a coins and currency notes. So everyone know about the coins. You all are going to the market, shops. At that time, if suppose you want to take anything, any dress, any chocolates, at that time, what are you giving to that shopkeeper? Money, right? What are you given to that shopkeeper? Money, otherwise coin. Money, otherwise coins. Means what? Notes. It's a currency notes. Yes, very good. It's a currency notes, otherwise coins. 1 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin, like this. Okay, students? So see, now everyone know about the coins and currency, right or wrong? Yes. Now I'm going to show you one image. Okay, students? Now see this image. Tell me. Now yes, now I'm going to zoom one image. Tell me which note is there on your screen, which notes is there on your screen. Now I'm going to put it red color over here. Wait a second. See? Yes. Give me answer in a chat box. This is a 100 rupees. This is a note of 100 rupees. Very good. Very nice. Good. Now next. Which one is the next? Which one is the next? This is a 1000, but it's an old note, right? In a current situation, this note is not allowed. It's a old notes. Okay. Now wait a second. I'm going to make zoom again. See, this is also the old notes, about 500. See the 500 notes. Now I'm going to make it with another color. It's a blue color. Yes. How much rupees? 500 rupees note is there. Okay. Good. Very nice. Now next. So everyone know about the notes and currency, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Everyone know about the currency and notes, right? Okay. Now see the coin. Now I'm going to clear the full drawing, and after that I'm going to show you. Wait a second. Yes. Now see. Now I'm going to clear it this image. Hello. Okay. Wait, students. Now you want to identify the coins. Already I given you the 1 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin. This already I given you. Okay. And everyone know about this coins also. Everyone know about this coin also, because you all are identified. If suppose you're going to the shop, at that time what are you doing? This all money you are given to that shopkeeper, and after that you are taking something from that shopkeeper, right? Understood? What I'm going to explaining you understood? Yes. What is the importance of that notes and currency? If suppose without money you are going to the shop, without money you're going to the shop, and suppose you're asking about that shopkeeper, give me the chocolate, give me the chocolate. Yes. So after that, that shopkeeper is what asking to you? If suppose shopkeeper is given chocolate to you, after that, the what shopkeeper is asking to you? About the money, about the money, otherwise coins, right or wrong? Without money, he is giving to you the chocolates, otherwise anything. Yes or no? Tell me. Without money, he is giving to you the chocolates, otherwise any material which you want. Yes or no? Yes. Without money. No one is giving to the objects, otherwise any materials, otherwise chocolates, whatever you require. For that, you want to give the money, you want to give the coins, you want to give the notes. Okay. Yes, good. Now, if suppose you are going to purchase a new dress for you, right? Your birthday is there. At that time, you are going to purchase a new dress, right? If suppose you are entering in that shop, the dress is taking. If suppose one frock, very nice Barbie frock you are taking. After that, the shopkeeper is asking for what? Money. So what you will do? Coins you will give to that hand, that shopkeeper's hand. What you will give? Coins? No. What you will give? Tell me. Because it's a minimum 500 rupees frock, right? So at that time, what you will give to the shopkeeper? Coins. Otherwise, 500 note. 5 rupees coin. Otherwise, note. Very good, Arnav. Very nice. What are you giving? Yes, very nice. You are giving the 500 rupees note. Otherwise, 100 rupees 5 notes you are giving. Right? Clear, everyone? What is the importance of notes and what is the use of that coins? Everyone understood? That means without money, without coins, without notes, you are not taking anything from shopkeeper. Understood? Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. Okay, so if suppose now I'm going to ask you the question, students, listen it properly and then give me the answer. Now I'm going to make it the zoom that screen. Wait a second, see? Yes. Now I'm put it red color to that box. Okay. See, I put it red color over here. Now some coins given to you downside. In this red color circle, some coins given to you. Okay. If suppose I given you the 5 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin, 1 rupees coin, again 1 rupees coin, means like that. I want to put it here now, blue color. See, these coins I given you. So tell me total how much rupees I given? Count yourself. No, total only blue color, dear. Only blue color, not red color. Count it only blue color. Good. Very nice. It's a 5 rupees 1 coin, 2 rupees 1 coin and 1 rupees 2 coin. Yourself you want to count it how much rupees total? 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Right? 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. This is total 9 rupees. Okay, understood? If suppose anyone is given you this all coins, right? And he's telling to you count it. And he's telling to you what? Count it. So how you will be counting? At that time you are drawing some lines and objects. At that time what are you doing? Drawing some lines and objects? No, it's a direct addition you want to do. Okay, it's a direct addition. What? 5 rupees coin plus 2 rupees coin plus 1 rupees 2 coin. So 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Yes, so total how much rupees? 9 rupees over there. How much rupees total? 9 rupees. Okay, now I'm going to clear that drawing and I'm going to ask you one another. Now you want to add this sum. Okay, wait a second. I'm going to draw a black color circle. Now I'm going to draw a black color circle over here. See, you want to count yourself now. Yes, 500 note plus 20 rupees note plus 10 rupees note. Count it. Yes, 500 plus 20 plus 10. 500 plus 20 plus 10. Good. Count it. Which is only the red color? Which is only the red, which is only the black color circle? 530. Very nice. Black color circle. 5 30. Why? Because one note is there for 500. After that 20 rupees. After that 10 rupees. 500 plus 20 plus 10. It's a 30 rupees. So total how much rupees is there? 530. Total how much rupees is there? 530. Understood? 530. Okay, understood how to add the currency and notes when suppose anyone is given you the coins. If suppose anyone is given you to notes, all note, and it suppose that person is telling to you count now. So at that time don't be confused. Understood? At that time don't be confused. Have your counting the objects like drawing, otherwise lines. At that same way you want to count, but it's a direct method, right? But it's a direct method. Understood till here? Have to count the notes and coins. Understood or not? Yes, if suppose you all are clear, you all are understood, then type Y in a public chat. If suppose all are clear about these two examples, so type Y in a public chat. Okay, good. Everyone clear? Okay, good. We can go to our next example. Now see, now I'm going to clear this drawing. Okay, see, now I'm going to clear this drawing. Now second one, second example is, okay, don't send Y like this. Okay, you want to single Y, you want to send single Y. Next, go to the next sum, which is, I'm going to put, it's a green color. You want to count it only the green color. How many notes you want to add? You want to add together. Yes, give me the answer. You want to add together. Give me the answer. 500 plus 100 plus 50. 500 plus 100 plus 50. Yes, give me the correct answer. I want answer from everyone. I want answer from everyone. Only selected students are given the answer and another students are copied from chat box, right? Yes or no? All are given proper answer? Good. 500 plus 100 plus 50. Good. This is 650. What is the correct answer? It's a 650. Very nice. Good. That means you all are able to do the addition, right? With the help of coins and currency notes. You all are identified the coins and currency notes. Okay, students? Good. Now next, good. Now next I'm going to write over here with red color circle. You want to count it the coins and give me the answer. Count it the coins and give me the answer. Yes. Total count it. Total count it. How many coins are there? So how much rupees? Total altogether how much rupees it is? Yes. Total how much rupees? It's a 6 rupees. Very good. 1 rupees coin. 6. Yes, it's a coin. How much rupees? 1 rupees coin, right? And how many coins given to you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This all are the total 6 coins are there, right? Understood? So total how much rupees? It's a 6 rupees. Very good. Very nice. Okay. Now on a whiteboard, I am going to write only the numbers, right? You want to assume this is the note of that rupees. You want to assume this, okay? Because on whiteboard, it is not able to proper write on whiteboard. So now I'm going to write over number there and plus addition sign. So you want to assume this is the 10 rupees note. This is the 5 rupees note. Okay. Watch it properly only. Yes, students, just wait. Because of network problem, the video is not proper working. Okay, students.